Anyway, let's go back and look at the website. And there's one more thing I want to do before this video is over. I want to change the sample page. The sample page at first is going to be our main page. And our main page is going to be coaching courses online. So what I want to do is go to Pages, All Pages. The sample page, I want it edited. I want you to change this to coaching courses online. Highlight all of this and delete it. I just went back to visual. Now let's update this. Let's go back to here and refresh this. See how this changed? And eventually I'm going to make this a home page as opposed to this. That's how it looks. Right now it's set for this as a home page. Back here, this should be exactly the same. So let's edit this. Coaching dash courses dash online, and click OK, and click update. Now we can view page. In the future, we're going to talk about the layout of your website and exactly what people need to see when they come to it. Right now, we're going to get rid of all of this stuff in the sidebar, especially down below here. This is all a distraction to people. You don't need your website looking like a billboard. And what we're going to do is fix this up a little bit for you. Okay, so we log in, and you remember how to do that, right? WP-admin, and inside of it, let's open that back up in another window so you can see how this changes as we go along. Let's get rid of all of this stuff out of the sidebar first, and to do this we go to Appearance and Widgets. Okay, we need nothing here, none of this, just left click, hold, pull. After you've pulled everything out of here, look for the text icon over here. Again, you left click, hold, and you pull it up and put it into the sidebar, and just save and close. Now let's go back to the website and scroll down a little bit and refresh. And there's what we just did. Sidebar junk is gone. In the future we will get into what goes in your footer, but for now let's fix this area up. And to do that, now we go down to My Theme. We can click on Design and start here. And you can change the color of your theme here just simply by clicking on this and Save Changes. It's pretty easy to do. For now, I'm just going to leave it to the blue color. And you can add logos and headers and you name it. There's all kinds of things that you can do. But what we're going to do now is go to the opt-in sign-up form. And what we want to do is take this little image right here and change it. And the size of this image is actually 86 by 86. So I'm going to upload one right now. First, let's go back and refresh this and make sure it's blue. Yes, okay, now let's change this image. So we browse. You should save on your hard drive or in a folder someplace. And the image that I'm uploading is called Get My Free Report. Open it. And you can align it left, center, right. I'm going to leave it left. Save changes. Let's go over and take a peek. Get my free report. Now let's fix this up right here, this text. To do that, all we need to do is copy text and paste it right here. And I have some pre-formatted that fits with this. You can play around with it so that it fits your niche. We go back, we paste it right here. Save changes. Come back here and refresh. Now it says, get my free report, yada yada. What you need to know about learning online. What the so-called experts never tell. And one final thing in this short video is I'm going to add an autoresponder and put the feed widget down here. At this point you may not want to add an autoresponder because I haven't done that module yet, but I will show you how easy it is to do. So I come back here and the HTML code goes right here, and I'm going to go pick up some HTML code that fits and drop it in there. This is what HTML coding looks like, and don't worry, you don't need to learn how to do this. All you need to learn how to do is copy and paste. So let's take that back to the form, just paste it right here. Save changes. Now let's come back here and refresh. Now when someone puts their name and email in there, they're going to get a message automatically from the Sakura project. Now let's go and install the feed widget so we can tell where our traffic comes from. And how we do that is, again, go to Appearance, Widgets. We're going to look in here for the feed widget right here. Left click, bring it over here and put it under text. Click Save, close, back here, refresh. Here we are. Now when someone comes on this website, it'll show up right here. We need to get the social media icons working, and that again is down in My Theme, Settings. Now we need to add Angelo's Twitter account, which is right here. Copy it, bring it back, paste it. Facebook URL, copy it, paste it. I'm not sure if Angelo has a YouTube account. He can do this in the future. It's pretty easy. This is his feed, RSS feed. Paste it. Copyright year. He said this actually a couple of years, so let's put 2011 anyway. Now your top navigation, that is right here. Eventually you will have lots of pages and you don't want this to look too cluttered. But for now we'll just leave it as it is. And you can have any pages you want or disinclude them. You can hide them right here. Now what we'll do is save changes. Come back and refresh. Now when someone clicks on this, Angelo's going to get Twitter followers and Facebook friends and people subscribing to his feed. And that's what you want. You want lots of Twitter followers, but again, this will be in a future course. Let's come back here and go back to dashboard. And that's going to be it for this video. When we come back, what we're going to do is add things down here in the footer. So, bye for now.